Back to another Chart Nerd TA update. I'm going to be diving into some Algorand technical analysis today, and potentially looking at future plays here. So straight off the back, we're on the daily time frame. We got a beautiful bullish cross here from Algorand, and you can see right now we are above these EMAs. Okay, we're above the 20 and the 55. We are a little bit overextended, or we was a little bit overextended in price. So right now you're being drawn back down to these EMAs, as I've said in previous videos, and you're looking to hold them as support. So what you kind of want to see here for Algorand is we either come down to one of these EMAs as they're rising at the moment. They're rising up, so as they come up, we need to come down, meet them, find support, and sort of get a bounce back up to test this local high that we currently have at 41 cents. Excuse me. And we're basically looking to hold support now. We're coming back after a breakout, okay, because we had this low. We came up to the 55 EMA, got rejected. We came back, formed another low, but it was a higher low. Okay, a higher low, and then all we had to do was come out and break above this resistance. We needed to break above 33 cents, and I was mentioning that in the previous Algorand videos. Okay, you were sort of coiling up here in some sort of double bottom pattern. Okay, and we did break out, and we have met the technical target of that breakout, and we rode that all the way up to 41 cents. So for me right now, what Algorand's looking to do, as I said, you had this bottom here on the 27th of August. You pushed up to the daily 55. Okay, you got rejected, came back down, found a higher level of support. Okay, a higher low. I'm sorry to go through this again. You broke out of the resistance you needed to break above. Okay, and you met the impulsive wave target of 41 cents. Right now, what I think needs to happen is we need to come down in some sort of ABC correction or some sort of correction and come back to find support back on this previous resistance. Because when you break out of resistance, you tend to come back for it for support. You turn old highs into new resistance, new support, sorry. Old highs and old resistance into new support. Okay, so once you start getting above and breaking above, come back down for support, get your continuation out of here, okay, and come up and tackle the high that we've already made here at 41 cents. So for me, that's the play. I think we're coming back down. We're looking to come back down and retrace to about 32 to 33 cents, potentially falling back on previous resistance right here, falling back to it as support to get your continuation out of here, okay, and that would be beautiful for Algorand if it is the case. Okay, if it is the case. What would be nice to see is this week's close. Where's the weekly? It'd be nice to see the weekly close. If we're looking at the weekly time frame here, it'd be nice to see it close above 36 cents. To be fair, you can see that we're sort of at that price right now. We're sitting at 36 cents. So a close above that and above this trend line for me is bullish. Okay, because you're closing above previous resistance. Okay, and you're hitting the 20, and you're basically getting some compression here. If we hold the 20 and manage to coil up, we're going to get a break somewhere. We're either going to break resistance or we're going to lose support and come back down for lower lows. Okay, and potentially just look to hold this ascending level of support here. So for me, I think it's quite important that we do close above 36 cents by the end of the week. And to get that sort of continuation, as we were saying, what you would need to do, I think, is over the next couple of days, come down, retest the 20 and this previous resistance, turn it to support and get your continuation out of here. And as long as we close above that 36 cents by Sunday, then all things would be looking okay moving forward. So for me, yeah, as I said, guys, by the end of the week, key area we need to hold a support, 36 cents on the daily time frame. Okay, coming back to support, right? For a bounce, where I would like to see a bounce on the daily would be 33. 33 cents, coming back down to this previous resistance point to test it as support. Get a nice move down there, and then by the end of the week, start breaking back above 36 cents so we can get that continuation of the weekly close above previous resistance and turning it into support. So yeah, guys, that for me right now is my target. I do think we're retracing to these levels, and we're going to get some sort of A, B, C down to them to look for support to get continuation, and you'll be sort of ascending to a level of support, and coiling up. But until then, guys, until next time, sorry, that's a quick update for you on Algorand. Come back and hold support here on these EMAs and this previous swing high. Beautiful, and things are looking gravy. Okay, so yeah, that's a quick update for you. I hope you enjoyed today's content. Until next time, from Chart Nerd TA, peace out.